Hello students, welcome in our maths period. And now today I am going to teach you lesson number 10, percentage. Do you know what is mean by percentage? So see, here is a box and this box contain 100 electric bulbs. Okay, and from that 100 electric bulbs, 10 bulbs are defective. How many bulbs are defective? 10 bulbs are defective. So we say that 10% of the bulbs in this box are defective. 10% बल्ब्स जो है वो 100 के बंच में से 10% डिफेक्टिव है. Here is Amit and Amit obtained 2 marks out of 100 in English. मतलब उसको out of 100 कितने marks मिले? He got 92 marks in English. Then we can say that he obtained 92% marks in English. इसका मतलब उसको कितने percentage marks मिले? That is mean इसको 92% marks English में मिल गए. Suppose every month your mother saves 20% of her income. Okay, we say that she saves rupees 20 out of every 100 rupees. मतलब अब वो every 100 rupees में से 20 rupees every month save कर रही है. That means she is saving 20% income from her income. So thus percentage means per 100. पर 100 के ऊपर कितने मार्क्स मिले ये हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. उसी तरह पर 100 के ऊपर हमें कितना लॉस हुआ, अगर कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ, ये भी हम इसके द्वारा काउंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ परसेंट एब्रीवेशन ऑफ परसेंटेज इज P.C मतलब PC and it denotes by symbol percentage. Out of 100 equal parts, each part is known as its 100th part. Thus 8 upon 100 is equal to 8 hundredths. Just like 8%, 5% is equal to 5 hundredths, means 5 upon 100. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to calculate the percentage. To convert a fraction into a percentage. Do you know how to convert a fraction into a percentage? We have to follow the rule. Now rule is, in order to convert a fraction into a percentage, then multiply the fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. If you have to convert this fraction into a percentage, we have to multiply the fraction by 100. Now we are going to solve some examples. Okay, to convert a fraction into a percentage. Here we have to convert a fraction into percentage. Okay, in order to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100. So this is the fraction. First of all, I am going to write the fraction 33 upon 100, and rule is, if we have to convert the fraction into the percentage, then we have to multiply the fraction by 100. Means this is the fraction and we are going to multiply this fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. Okay, now these two zeros are cut with these two zeros. So our answer is 33. So 33. This is a percentage. Okay. Now I am going to solve another example. 3 upon 4. Okay. The same rule. Write the fraction first and multiply this fraction with 100. Okay. Now I am going to reduce these two numbers by 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 40. So we'll get 3 multiplied by 24 is equal to 25 3s are 75. So write the sign of percentage. This is our answer, 75%. Now I am going to solve another example. 7 upon 25. This is the fraction and we have to convert this fraction in percentage. So write first of all fraction as it is, 7 upon 25, and multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, so 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Then we'll get 7 multiplied by 4. So 7 fours are 28. So 28% is our answer. Next rule. To convert a percentage into a fraction. If we have to convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. To convert a percentage into a fraction, here we have to convert a percentage into a fraction, and the rule is to convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100. Means this is a percentage and we have to divide this percentage by 100 to remove the sign of percentage. We have to remove this sign of percentage to convert this 35 into the fraction. Then what we'll do? We write the 35 upon 100. Okay. Now we have to remove this percentage sign. So write 35 upon 100. Now we are going to reduce this 5 by the 5. 5 2s are 10. 0 as it is. 5 7s are 35. Means our answer is 7 upon 20 is the answer, and this is the fraction. This percentage we converted into the fraction. Now second, 56. Now this is a 56 in percentage, so we have to convert this 56 into the fraction. So write 56 upon 100. So we'll divide this 56 upon 100 by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Now again I am going to reduce this 28 and 50 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 14 upon 25. 14 upon 25 is the answer. Now I am going to convert these 37.5% into a fraction. So write 37.5 upon 100. Now I am going to remove this decimal sign. So पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, तो यहाँ पे पॉइंट जब निकल जाता है तो नीचे के नंबर में 10 ऐड हो जाता है. मतलब 375 ये मैंने डेसिमल पॉइंट निकाल दिया, रिमूव कर दिया. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड 10 ऑन 100. ओके. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिड्यूस दिस टू नंबर बाय 5. 5 2s are 10. 0 0. 375 by 5. 5 7s are 35. 2 5. 5 5s are 25. So here is 75. Now I am going to reduce these 200 again by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 15s are 75. Again I am going to reduce this by 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15. So our answer is 3 upon 8 is the answer, and this 3 upon 8 is in a fraction. Okay. Now next rule, percentage as a ratio. A percentage can be expressed as a ratio with its second term 100 and first term equal to the given percentage. Percentage as a ratio. Now we have to convert percentage in a ratio form. So a percentage can be expressed as a ratio with its second term 100 and first term equal to the given percentage. Means we have to write this 72 upon 100. Okay. Now I'm going to reduce these two numbers by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 1, 12. So 2 6s are 12. Now 36 and 50 is going to reduce by 2. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 and here 1. 2 5s are 10. 2 18s are 36. So 18 upon 25 is the answer. 12.5%. Okay. Now I am going to write 12.5 upon 100. So मैंने जो पहले बताया था, जब हमें ये डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करना है तो नीचे वाले नंबर में हमें क्या ऐड करना है, 0 ऐड करना है. 1 to 5 ये 100 एज इट इज लिख दिया मैंने. ये डेसिमल पॉइंट मैंने रिमूव करा तो उसके बाद कितना नंबर है, 1 डिजिट है, तो 1 डिजिट मतलब 1 0 मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया. Now I am going to reduce those two number by 5. 5 2s are 10. 0 0. 5 25s are 125. Now 4 0. Now 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. So 1 upon 8 is the answer. We have to write this answer in ratio form. So 1:8. And this is also right. 18:25 is the answer. We are going to convert a given ratio into a percentage. First, convert the given ratio into a fraction and then multiply the fraction by 100 and put percentage sign. Students, here we have to convert this ratio into a percentage form. So first I am going to write this ratio in the form of fraction. So 14 upon 25. Okay. Now multiply this number by 100. Now I am going to reduce this number. 25 ones are 25. 25 4s are 100. So 14 multiplied by 4. 14 4s are 56. So 56 is the answer. Now another example. Write this in a fraction form. 111 upon 125 multiplied by 100. So I am going to reduce this and this 125 and 100 by 5. 5 25s are 125. 5 20s are 100. So 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. So 111 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So 111 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 4 4 upon 5. So I am going to divide this 4 4 4 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 4 5 8s are 40. पॉइंट दे दिया, 0 ऐड किया. 5 8s are 40. Means our answer is 88.8%. This is the answer. Next rule, to convert a given percentage in decimal form. And the rule is first convert the given percentage into a fraction and then put the fraction into a decimal form. Now convert a given percentage in a decimal form. This is a percentage and we have to convert this percentage into the decimal form. So we are going to convert the given percentage into the fraction and then put the fraction into a decimal form. First we are going to convert this percentage into the fraction. So 36 upon 100. Okay, so 100 के ऊपर 1 के ऊपर 2 zeros है, मतलब यहाँ पे भी 2 डिजिट के पहले पॉइंट आना चाहिए. तो 0.36 okay is the answer. Now 0.25 okay, add 100. Now we have to remove this decimal point. So अगर हम ये डेसिमल पॉइंट निकाल रहे हैं तो उसके बाद कितने डिजिट्स है, 2 डिजिट्स है, तो वो 2 डिजिट नीचे वाले नंबर पे ऐड हो जाएंगे. मतलब यहाँ पे रह गया 25, ये 100 एज इट इज ऐड करना है और 1 2 डिजिट के 2 zeros 100 के ऊपर ऐड करने हैं. तो अभी ये कैसे आएगा, 25 1 के ऊपर कितने zeros है, 1 2 3 4, तो पॉइंट के बाद 4 नंबर आनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे 25 लिख दिया और 2 0 ऐड किया, मतलब पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स आने चाहिए, 1 2 3 4, 4 डिजिट आने चाहिए, 1 2 3 4. सो आवर आंसर इज 0.0025 इज द आंसर. Our last rule is to convert a given decimal into a percentage, and the rule is multiply the given decimal by 100 and put percentage sign. To convert a given decimal into a percentage, this question is in the form of decimal and we have to convert this decimal form in a percentage. Okay, so rule is multiply the given decimal by 100. गिवन डेसिमल को बाय 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, तो पहले हम इसको क्या करते हैं, कन्वर्ट करेंगे फ्रैक्शन में. पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, मतलब 8/10, ये फ्रैक्शन में आ गया. नाउ 8/10 हमें रूल है मल्टीप्लाई करो उसको 100 से. सो दिस 0 इज कैंसल विद दिस 1 0. 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80% is the answer. Now 0.008 we have to convert this decimal into fraction. So पहले लिखेंगे 8. okay, पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट है, 1 2 3, तो 3 डिजिट 1 के ऊपर ऐड हो जाएंगे, मतलब 8/1000 and we have to multiply this 8/1000 by 100. 0 0 0 0, then means 8/10. Okay, now we are going to write this 8/10 in the form of decimal, means 0.8% is the answer. And with this, today I am going to wind up this session, and students, you have to complete of exercise number 10A, question number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Thank you.